This is a short video on how best to upload a business card onto Insightly using your phone. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Business Card Reader CRM Pro app onto your phone. You will then need to set the app up. If you have any questions on how to install or set up the app, please ask. Once you've done this and you have a card you want to read, simply open the app, press the camera button, align the card and your phone. The app will then process the data and bring up all the details. At this point, it's really critical to check the details align with the card so everything is correct. The app can often get email addresses or phone numbers or names or company names wrong. If we don't want to upload erroneous data, we really need to check it at this stage. This all looks fine, so then you can simply press save, upload to Insightly, then you can simply either quit or scan more cards. Once you've scanned your business card or group of business cards, log on to the Insightly desktop app. I generally do this in batches after an event or conference. The most critical point to highlight is we want to get the best data as possible. You need to be checking the data that goes into Insightly. If you're not checking the data, you're better off not using Insightly. You only have to see how much crap has already been uploaded to see the issues. If we don't have correct data, we can't use Insightly. So the first thing to do is to look up your scanned contact. You'll see a first issue. There are several identical contacts, so we'll deal with that in a minute. Once you've brought up the contact, now's a good time to double check all the details. If there's anything incorrect, such as an address or an email address, you can go to Actions and edit this contact. Insightly rarely connects an individual to a company, so this is the first task you need to do. So Vinay works at the National Capital Region Transport Company. So we've clicked on the company. We now enter their job title and save. Once you've done this, we need to check for duplicates. So if we go to Contacts and Smart Merge, we can see there are 3 Vinays. They're obviously the same person. So we click on Smart Merge. We choose which of those contacts is the master we want to save. If they're all the same, perfect. Sometimes there might have been a spelling mistake in one and that's why there's a duplicate. So we quickly check and then merge the contact. The next thing we want to do is, if we've met the person at a conference or event, is link them to that event. So if we in the future want to search everyone we met at a conference, that's easy. So if we want to look up an event, so we had a NCRTC meeting which we met Vinay at. We can see there is already a number of contacts who we met at that, and so now we just add Vinay. You can also create a new event if one doesn't exist there. That's it. You've now got a contact which is correct. It's linked to a company. They've got their job title, and you've linked it to the event you had met them at. So we've got a really good contact that we can use in future for future projects and marketing.